Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and let me show you how to use the battery saver on the following device. So, when you are running out of the battery and you would like to use your device longer, you need to find the settings right here, choose the battery. Here you've got a couple of useful information about the battery usage, and here you can also find the power saving mode. So let's enable power saving. So this mode limits background app activity, disabled email and auto synchronization, and also it's disabled the system sounds. Let me tap enable, and right now you are using the power saving mode. Here you've got the approximate time of using your device. You can also use the ultra power saving mode right here. Of course, in ultra power saving mode you will be able to use only the certain apps. Let's tap enable. As you can see, this is really restrictful mode, but of course you can use your device for a really long time by using that mode. If you would like to quit this, let's use this exit key right here, tap exit. And that's it. Right now you can use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.